I want to create a one more file and the index3.html. The last topic we have discussed about strings. Okay, so if you just go for the the content or any online tutorial, you have a lot of methods, so you better uh, um, go through those the content as well. Okay, I didn't share the screen. Yes, thank you. I will share entire screen. Okay, so the last topic we have discussed about strings. Loop, not loops here. Okay, strings. Okay, what is a string? A string is an array of uh, the character, array of yeah, character uh, and numbers. Why? Because so anything if you enclose with a double quote, so that is a string only. So now we are going to be discussing some of the methods. So for that, I will go with the doc and okay. So why it is taking the time in the sense? So it is loading the content here. So I will just so I have installed the packages, so it is loading the time. So that's why it is taking the time. So as I told, if you want, you can just take here also. Let's say I will take this code, Control A, Control C, will close this one, and Control A, Control V, and okay. So I will just remove this script, will remove, and I will remove everything. Control S, and why it is getting hide, ignore, admit. Okay, so now we will go for the string methods. The first, what is a string? So I will take h2 as an tag. So the strings, and we'll go for the script tag. So I want to write the script. So first, let text equals to hello world. So now I want to the first is the caret. So I will just use a, let's say, I will take a one more string. Let text, sorry, let text to equals to. Uh, so I want to find the caret. So the first, the text dot. If you see here, these are all the methods of a text. Okay, so the caret of 0. Okay, so then I want to print a document dot the right of the char at method display the character at a specific index. Okay, I will not write a whole sentence. So here it is a text2. So text1 it is what? It's containing a string. Text2 is it is going to be find the character at 0 what it is. So that is a the text2. Control S, right click, op open with a live server. Okay, so I will write a comment. So what is the caret? Sorry, what is the caret will do? it will returns the character at a specified index. So this is the caret, and this is the document dot write. So here it is running my code. The caret method index the caret specific index, what it contains. So at the character index 0, the h is there. If I just, okay, I will close this one. I will just open my browser only. So local host, so index3.html. See, hope you're getting my screen. The character method display the character, the specified character as the index. So we have done what is the char at index 0. So text is what? It is a text string, and the text 2 is what? It is going to be give the specific index or in this text for the character or for the index what it contains. It is a 0 is there. What I will do, I will just make it as a 10 at the character 10 what it contains. So L is there. The character might be this L is there. Okay, if you count means you will get. So that is a finding the. So what is the main funda of the index of means in the character for the specific index what it contains, it is going to be a print. Okay, so next we have so many functions, then we will discuss. So there is an index of is there, a caret is there, and codat is there. Different methods are there. So we will discuss that one also. Or else you just go through it. So next, what I will do, I will let text 3 equals to. I will take one more. Welcome to Java script. Save it, and so this is a string is there. Okay, so I will just first run it. Let text 4 equals to text 3 of 0 or anything 0 1 or anything. So then document dot write of the text 4. Control S. We'll go to the browser. Yeah, what is, see, that's not an issue. Uh, okay, we'll add a break first. Plus, yeah, E is there. Okay, E is printing. Okay, why it is a 1 in the sense, uh, we are it is taking as a 0. This is the 1, that is why it is printing a 1. Okay, to access the value like this also. The next, we are going for the slice method. So let, okay, this text only, okay, I will take one more thing. Let text 5 equals to, I will take a Virat, Rohit, Shikhar, and Hardik. Okay, so I will take this one. Mm, okay, so now There are three major methods are there: slice, splice, and I think yesterday last we have discussed slice. Then we will go for a deeper. So now I want to let a text 6 equals to mm, let's say text 5 dot slice of something 6 comma 11. Okay, so what is the slice method? So it will extract part of the string and display. Slice means what? So if you have a mango, so what is a slice? So out of the mango, you are going to be cut a piece of what you can say mango like slice. Then we will fetch the sorry, we will display that one. So how to do this one? So document dot write of so br tag. So I will add some. It will extract the part of the string and display or whatever it will use. So then save it. So we have it is starting from here 0 to here, and we are going to be extract from the 6 to 11. So if I just go to the browser, and if you see here, there it is a Rohit is there. It will, what is it? It will extract the part of the string and display. So we have a full string. Okay, what we will write? I will write a document dot write of the br tag. So br, the string is plus text 5. So first if you see the string, the string is what? Virat, Rohit, Shikhar, Hardik is there. So we have used the slice method. So slice method. So for the where for the text 5, we are going to be slice from the index 6 to the 11. So that is why it is extracting the 6. Sorry, Rohit. Okay, this is the slice. Okay, so next I will take I will expand this. So you can do something like minus 6 like minus 6 and 11. Let's say I will just do minus 12 and minus 6 in the reverse order. Save it. We'll go here. See, Shikar is there because 12, 5. Save it. Is not here. This is the 6. This is the 13. So in the reverse orders also it is going to be and 14 to extract the full string. So Shikar is coming. If I just add some control S. Okay, so you can do reverse, or else you can pass the only something minus 14. See, up to, see, it is going to be count from like this. Okay, one, two, three, like that negative value. So you can do whatever the things, either clockwise or anti-clockwise or forward or backward, what you can say. Okay, so next what we are going to do, we are going to do a substring. See, substring is similar to the slice only. The only difference is that it is a it is not going for the negative value, the reverse order, and it is going to be like it is going to be start with a 0. Okay. Okay, so now this is done. The next we are going with the first we'll go for the same string we will take. Let text 7 equals to uh, let's say what is the string character, that is the text one, right? Yeah, text is there, or text 3. So text 3 dot substring of 02. It will extract the part of the string and display the. Save it. We'll go to here. Yeah, we need to display, right? So document dot, right? Save it. So here it is in a welcome 0 to 7 welcome. Okay, the next the last, see that is a string slice and a substring is almost all similar, so only there is a indexing, uh, the value is going to be changed. And the next we are going with the sub str. What is a sub str? So it is a different, see, it is the same as in a slice method only, but second parameter it is in a the length of the character. See, we have a two indexes, right? 0 and 2. So this is a from and to, but here from and how many character. So this is how it is used. Okay. So what I will do, for the same text 3 only, let text 8 equals to, so text 3 dot sub str. So I will take a 0 to 7 only, and I will print a document dot write. It will extract the part of the string and display. So save it, and we'll go to the browser. See, welcome is there. So then I will show, if I make it as a 20. So it is a starting index, and after that number of character to be displayed. This is the parameter. See, welcome to JavaScript. It is going to be print a whole the string. Why? Because this is not an index. It is a number of character. It is an index, but this is the number of characters. So if you make only one character W only, it is going to be. If you want to make it as a 3 character, it is going to be print only 3 characters. Okay. So uppercase, lowercase, we already done. Then next is the concatenation. What is the concatenation? So as the name, it is going to be concatenate two strings. So let text 9 equals to, so which is the text we are going to be used? So this is a text is there. So this text we are going to be concat with this text 3. So for that, so text dot the concat of, so text 3. So it will concat the two strings, and so document dot write, it will concat the two strings. So let's say, now what is the text? The text is a hello world. What is the text 3? Welcome to JavaScript. Hello world, welcome to JavaScript. It is going to be print with a text 9. If I just go here, see there, hello world, and this is a one string. Welcome to JavaScript is a one string. So this is the um, concat. The next is a trim method. Okay, so trim method, what it will do, it will remove the white space. So first we will go here, let text 10 equals to React JS is a library. Okay, so now what we will do, let, so text 11 equals to text 10 dot, okay, first we will display this one, document dot write of, okay, the string is text 10, so it is going to be print the text. React.js is a library. What is nothing is there. So what I will do, text dot length, control S. If I just see here, 21 characters are there. What I will do, I will make like this. Is there any meaning like doing this one? No. But has a meaning for the programming language. So now if I save it, if I just go here, see 38 characters are there. Earlier it is something 28 was there. How it is happening? Because JavaScript, it is taking each space is also one character. Let's say here it is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 character is counted. And this is the seventh character. And 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Got it? So this is a how it is going to be take the what you can say the characters as well. What you can say count. So this is you done okay. So then I will use a one method, document dot write of, okay, before that let text 11 equals to, so text 10 dot trim I will use. So trim, what it will do, it is going to be trim the extra spaces. So document dot write, it will remove the extra space from the string and it is going to be print. See here it is what 38 is there. So after using the trim method, so we'll see what is the output. See, the string is 38. After doing a trim, what it is going to be 33 because extra 5 spaces it is removed. Okay. Why? Because at least one space will be there. Okay. Like for after 1, after 2, 3, 4, and 5, one character should be there because you cannot club all at once. Okay, so this is called a what we can say a trim method. What is the use when it is used? See, whenever you're going for the enter a password field, no, you might okay, you done a purposely, you entered some password like test at 2025. Okay, let's say this is the password section. Let the password equals to you entered a something test at 2067 something like that. See, you typed and by mistakenly you added a some, not purposely. If you added a some space, so programming all the like password or any all value pin and everything, no, so it will trim it, means it will remove the extra space because you done a purposely or a what you can say purposely or what you can say by mistakenly, so it will remove. Okay, because what happens, so you don't know like some users they will type the test at 2067 and what happens, he is trying to log in again means he is getting failed. So then he is going to find what is happening here. So then he will realize that okay, oh, I added extra spaces. Okay, if the programming guy he is a little thinking guy, so then he will notice, or else he will not notice. So that's why it is a best practice for trim the when you reading the passwords. Okay, so this is a what we can say the string methods. Okay, so next we are going with the, see, I am covering some of the major methods. Okay, so it doesn't mean that I am not covering all those things. So remaining you can just go through by yourself and work on it. So let I will go for the text uh, mm, 12, right? 12 equals to, I will take what is the string name? Welcome to the world of JavaScript. Okay, so now what I want to do, I will let text 12, sorry, 13 equals to text 12 dot replace, which string I need to replace and where to replace. So now what I will do, I will go for the I will replace with the JavaScript to the, this is the JavaScript is the right. I will replace with the React. So first we'll find the so JavaScript. So JavaScript is here. I will replace with the React.js. So now if I just go here document.write, it will replace the text string. If I just go to the browser, see here, it will replace the string welcome to the world of React.js. So before it is um, JavaScript. If I just use a document dot write, the string is before string is welcome to the JavaScript. After replace welcome to the world of React.js. So you might see the 3 days film. So how it is happening? By this method only. Because internally there is some functions will run and it is going to be performed. It is not okay simply, yeah. See whatever the, if you just see control F, so it is going to be find the JS and hello is there, and it will see how many will is there. So how it is doing this one by using by these methods only. Internally there is a some the programs will be there. Then how this is a simple display. How it is showing, because of this is the functionality they have written in the browser. Okay, so then we have some what we can say some string other methods are there. Okay, so this is a if you want to go for all the methods, you just go for the W3 school or something. Okay, the next we are going to be cover as an array. That is a very important topics. So again there is a number is there, so you just go through it. Okay, so here if I go here, so string methods is there, string search is there. If you just go here, the numbers also you can just go through it. As the string you displayed, number you are going to be displayed. Okay, so now the next is an array. So what is an array? So array is in a sequence of a character index 4.html. So array is a sequence of a character. It can be stored in a standard array. So document control S. So h2 uh, h2, the array is a variable which holds the more than one value. Okay, we can say symmetric value or something like that. Okay, So what happens now? How it is displaying all those things? So whatever I typed in the earlier classes or earlier batch, no, here it is going to be print all the things. So script, we'll save it, and so let the text one equals to, this is the array name I will take. Okay, so the Virat Rohit, something like that. Then document dot write. See what it will display. So it will displays the array of a character. So text one is what, an array. Is what type of array? Anyone? Anyone can tell me what type of array it is? Already we have discussed in the last session. Saib Godar, Girish, Ganesh, Vaishnavi, Rahul. What type of array it is? Huh? It is an a character type of array. See, our string of array. Why? Because so it is enclosed with a double quote. If I just go here, or else I will just go to the browser and I will open, and I will change to the 4, run it. See, Virat, Rohit, Shikhar, Dhawan. So how it is printing and how it is storing? It is storing with always with a 0 index. For that, I will just do, instead of document.write, I will just do the console dot log control s. If I just go to the browser, if you see how it is going to be store the value, click it. See here, the array is the Virat, Rohit, Shikhar, and what you can say, these are all the how it is going to be store the value. Okay, so now the next method is the uh, how to fetch the array elements. So there is a one, you have an option called a by using the object. So text one of, so one, control S. If I just go to the browser, minimize, see here it is Rohit is there. So what I will do, I will use a document dot write only. So document dot write, or else what I will do, so document dot get element by id demo under HTML equals to 1. I will just remove this one. I will add a h1 hash demo, control S. See, it is printing a Rohit. Why? Because the index, it is going to be stored with a 0, 1, 2, 3. If I want to access a Hardik, if you just mention the text of 3, control S. If I just reload it, you are going to be find the Hardik value. If I want to go for the 0, control S, run it. So there is a now Virat. Okay, so this is a how it is going to be a print. The next we are going with the constant. So you want to create an array of an object. When it is an object, if you use a new operator, okay, let's say constant cars equals to new array. So cars is an what? See, until it is a variable. When you use a new and array, then it is a become an object. As I told, whenever it is new operator is came, so then you think that okay, whatever you are defining, that is an object. So what type of object? String object or array object or normal JavaScript object. So it depends. So here it is, we are using the array BMW, RD and all. Okay, so just I will print a document.write. So 0, same thing, array of object. If I use a 2, save it, run it. So Mercedes is there. Okay, so those are all the array methods. So if you want to add some elements to the existing array, so how? I will just go here. The cars of 0, I will add a Jaguar. See, cars of 0 is BMW is there. But what I added Jaguar. So then what is the output? So if I just go here, the now the cars of is a Jaguar, not a BMW. Why? Because it is going to be replaced. So I will just print here. So document dot write of, just print the cars. I think it will not display. Okay, display. See, earlier BMW, RD, Mercedes is there. So what they are replaced document on it, car of 0. See, for the car index of 0, add a Jaguar. So Jaguar is added at the index of 0. So that is why it is going to be replaced with the BMW to the Jaguar. Okay, so this is how it is going to be. So then you want to access the full array, so that is using a document dot. If you want the full array also, if I just go here, save it, it will print the Virat, Rohit, Shikhar, Hardik. It is going to be print. Okay, so then one more method is there for creating an object. So that is the constant the car equals to uh, name. Name is BMW, model is 2020, color is the black, so document dot write. So car dot name is, it is going to be print the name of car is saved into, the name of car is BMW. So that is one more type of creating an object. Okay, so this is the how, if you want to find the length, if I just dot length, control S, if I just go here, see length is 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. But you have a confusion. Okay, you are telling that index. If I do index 4, if I just go here, what I will do, document. So text of 4 means it will show undefined. See here. Why? Because we don't have an fourth value. I mean to say we have a 4 value, but the index is starting from the 0, 1, 2, 3. So that is why. So you mentioning a 3, why? Because it is starting with 0. So total element is 4, but if you want to fetch it, the index is 3. So here it is printing the Hardik. Okay, so this is a how to fetch the array element. Let's say you have a n number of array, so you want to fetch the only the last element of the array. So how we are going to do? See, you have 100 characters. Okay, we don't know like how many things, how many characters is going to be displayed, or we are not sure that one. So for that, document dot, okay, text dot, what we will do. So to print that one, I will just remove for a while. Let xy equals to, what is the array? So text1 dot length and minus 1. Okay, so here what happens? Uh, I will enclose because we need to make a one expression. So text one, see, text one is an array. Text one dot length is an overall length. What is this one? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 minus 1 is what? 3. So then it is going to be print the last element. Irrespective of if you don't want to remember all the names means, so then it is the best operation. So let xy. Text one is what? Your array. Text one dot length is what? It is a length of the array 4. And minus 1 is what? 4 minus 1 is 3. So text 1 of 3 means what? 0, 1, 2, 3. So Hardik is there. The Hardik is assigned to the xy and it is going to be printed. Okay. So this is how to print a array. The next, the last one, we're going for the loop and array. Okay. I have an array. We have 1,000 array. Okay. Let's say if you want to read all the IPL team members from the last 5 years. If you say like 78 are there, each team is having a 15. You cannot remember or you cannot note down or you might miss or something. So you want to you give a one form, okay, and you will build an application. You will give in a form, so you enter all the details: first name, last name, age, state, and language, gender, and everything, qualification, etc., etc. So then you want to loop all the seven or eight or nine IPL team members at a display in the loop. So then the let x or else okay len length equals to, first we need to find the length. Okay, I will use for the car, uh, not car. I will use for the text one dot length. So what I will find? I will find the length of the array. See, 4 is there. Okay. Now what I will do, I want to loop through it. So for that, let txt equals to, so loop or you want to display the list or something. So I will use something, you can have a table or you have a list. Okay. Or else you can use a div or something like that. So for that, we will use a unordered list. So then the for open close brace, okay, I will use a let I equals to 0, I less than length I plus plus. Okay, so text is what? It is an eval. So text one is what? Is an array. So here the so text of I is what? So text of I is what? The text of I, first initial 0. So text of 0 means it is going to be print the first name. Text of 0 is Virat. So the Virat is going to be assigned to the this text. So indirectly it is an eval. And the plus means what? It will add with the existing value. It will not override. It is going to be add. Okay, I will just remove it. So it is keep on doing, and the document dot write of the looped data is okay. So UL I have defined. So I need to define the one more thing called LI. LI means what? The list item. The list item start and LI. This is not like this. See here it is acting as a string, but when it is comes to the browser, it is act as an element. Okay, li start and li end. Okay, so now here what we will do at the last, what is this one? Txt equals to plus ul. So this is the ul start and ul end. This is li start, li end. So now document dot write of the string value is text. Control S. If I just go to the browser, so what is the mistake? Uncaught error. Where is index 4 HTML30? So index 4 HTML30. So what mistake we have done? For let I equal to 0, I less than length, I plus plus text plus. So li is there. So text one is a, here it is top is a text one is a string. There is an index. So this is a mistake. No. Okay, text plus equals to or double quote li text one of I is correct. Then li for is going to be end here. Yeah, what is the mistake? Unterminated string literal. Uh, okay, so maybe this one. No. What I will do, I will remove this one. Control S. We'll go here. The looped data is the string value is txt. Why not a number? You will, the text is there. Text you will, and for let I equals to 0, I less than, this is the length. Okay, this is the overall length. So I plus plus is there. So text plus, so txt. So both the three values of txt plus equals to, so this is the li text item, and so remaining at the text one for I means it is the first index value is 0, it is going to be fetch the first is virat, and it is going to be the break the line, sorry, li start end, and text plus equals to, okay, it looks good. What is the mistake? Document dot, sorry, get element by id of demo dot inner html equals to, sorry, txt. So I will use a demo one because already demo is someone is using. So h1 demo one. Hey, where is the hash demo one? Control S. Okay, we'll see that one. Okay, what mistake I am doing. So fine. So uh, we will go for the assignments and everything.